The next point for discussion under this module is the qualification of information commissioners. The RTA Act of 2005 lays down the fact that both the Chief Information Commissioner and the other information commissioners, either in the central or the state information commissions, shall be persons with eminence in public life and those with wide knowledge of law, science, technology, social service, management, journalism, mass media, or administrative and governance. These are probably the stated qualifications that would be required for a person to be appointed as an information commissioner. Now, one would assume that the kind of qualifications that are prescribed by the RTA Act are pretty wide in nature, and they can actually draw persons of eminence from a wide variety of backgrounds that may include not only administration, governance, and law, but interestingly from other disciplines that may also have science, social service, management, and also journalism. On the aspect of journalism, one would actually perceive the fact that a few journalists who have become or have been appointed as information commissioners, and they have played a pivotal role in the way in which the Information Commission has gone about its functioning as well. Interestingly, apart from the positive qualifications that are required for an information commissioner, there are certain stipulations that a commissioner may not have. They could be as regards those that should not be connected to any political party or carrying on any business, or they should not hold any office of profit or pursue any other profession. Which means at the time of appointment, these should be probably given away, and an information commissioner cannot hold two offices at the same time. The office of the information commissioner is a full-time office, and hence, along with the same office, a person cannot be a member of a political party, cannot carry on any business, or hold any other office of profit, or pursue any other profession. And hence, the role of the information commissioner is a full-time role, and is not part-time, is what we can come to the conclusion by looking into point number 2. Third, it is important to understand that an information commissioner can hold office for 3 years. This is as per the amended notification and rule to the RTA Act that was brought in the year 2019. However, kindly note, till this time, from 2005, originally as the Act stood, the office of the Information Commission was for 5 years, or till they attained 65 years of age, which means from 2005 till 2019, Information Commissioners had a 5-year tenure. However, post 2019, as the Act stands amended to this particular provision, an Information Commissioner can hold office only for 3 years, or till the age of 65, whichever is early. Kindly note, again, one important amendment was also introduced in 2019, that is regarding reappointment of the Information Commissioner. Originally, Information Commissioners could not seek reappointments. However, post 2019, as the amendment stands right now, an Information Commissioner can have once a reappointment, or he or she can be elevated as the Chief Information Commissioner. This is a possibility thanks to the amendment in 2019. However, originally as it stood, they could not seek this reappointment or could not be seeking elevation from an Information Commissioner to a Chief Information Commissioner. So these 3 points give you a brief background about who can be an Information Commissioner, what conditions apply to the appointment of an Information Commissioner as well. Okay, let's go forward and look at the powers and functions of the Information Commission itself. Now, if we have to analyze the powers and functions of the Information Commissioner or Commission as the case may be, I think one will have to refer to Section 18 and Section 19 of the RTA Act. These two sections are very, very important and relevant to understand the scope, ambit of the powers and functions entrusted to the Information Commissions. Broadly, the powers and functions of the Information Commissions can be divided into 2 parts. First, what we call as the complaint power, where the information commissions can entertain complaints. Second, and most important, is the function that the information commissions have is called as the appeal power. As we know that the information commission can be an appellate organization from the orders passed by the first appellate authority in return to those kinds of grievances where the right to information of a citizen has been adversely affected, and hence information commission stand in second appeal. The provision of appeal under the RTA Act is provided in section 19. We will probably go through section 19 in detail and the grounds of the appeal as well.